Lawmakers from the House of Representatives sought syndicated estafa complaints against 6 officials of the Pharmally Pharmaceutical Corporation. House Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman Michael Aglipay disclosed their recommendations following the series of hearings conducted regarding the alleged overpriced medical and health equipment procured by the Department of Health for the COVID-19 response.
The filing of appropriate charges for syndicated estafa against the directors and officers of Pharmally Pharmaceutical Corporation, namely Mr. Wang Juyen, Mr. Moat Dargani, Ms. Twinkle Dargani, Mr. Lincoln Ong, Ms. Justin Garado, and Ms. Giselle Grace Mago before the Department of Justice.
Aglipay added that Pharmally executives abused the system by taking advantage of the rules under the Bayanihan to Heal as One Act.
The act of Pharmally officials and employees in soliciting supply contracts from the government, despite full knowledge that it was grossly unqualified to do so, and tantamount to fraudulent misrepresentation resulting in damage and disadvantage to the government. These acts of Pharmally officials are grossly aggravated by the fact that these were committed during the height of the pandemic by taking advantage of the more lenient procurement regulations under Bayanihan Act 1.
The panel also recommended the filing of charges for falsification of public documents against George Mendoza II and Mervyn Ian Tankintik of the PSDBM Inspection Division. They allegedly signed the inspection documents for COVID-19 supplies that came from China even before the items were delivered.
Ginawa nila Mendoza at Tankintik ay nag-issue na ng ICAR na hindi nila nakikita yung mga supplies.
The House panel chief said there was insufficient evidence to sue the former DBM's Procurement Service Chief Lloyd Christopher Lao and former Economic Advisor Michael Yang.
So, ang sagot ko po dyan sa tanong nyo kay Michael Yang at kay Christopher Lao, insufficiency of evidence. The evidence does not warrant or is not enough for cases to hold.
Despite absolved being Lao, the House panel recommended the abolition of PSDBM to streamline the government functions and services. The committee's recommendation will be submitted to the plenary for adoption by the House. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, we serve the people, we give glory to God.